Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to discuss why berries are the best fruit for individuals with diabetes. Berries are not only delicious and versatile, but they also offer a plethora of health benefits that can help manage blood sugar levels and improve overall well-being. So, grab a handful of your favorite berries and let's dive right in. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them an ideal choice for individuals with diabetes. Antioxidants help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are common risk factors for diabetes-related complications. Additionally, the fiber content in berries can aid in controlling blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This can prevent spikes in blood sugar and promote better glucose regulation. Berries are also low in calories and carbohydrates, making them a diabetes-friendly fruit option. For example, 1 cup of strawberries contains only around 50 calories and 12 grams of carbohydrates, making them a guilt-free snack for those managing diabetes. Furthermore, the natural sweetness of berries can satisfy cravings for sugary treats without causing significant spikes in blood sugar levels. This can help individuals with diabetes adhere to their dietary plan and prevent overindulgence in unhealthy foods. Let's delve into some specific berries and their unique health benefits for individuals with diabetes. Starting with strawberries, these juicy red fruits are high in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve cardiovascular health. Additionally, strawberries have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels when consumed in moderation. Blueberries are another excellent choice for individuals with diabetes due to their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. These little blue powerhouses also contain fiber and vitamin C, making them a nutritious and delicious addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Raspberries are not only delicious, but also packed with fiber, vitamin C, and manganese, which can help support healthy blood sugar levels and overall metabolism. The high fiber content in raspberries can aid in digestion and promote satiety, preventing overeating and sudden spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, raspberries have a low glycemic index, making them a safe fruit choice for individuals with diabetes looking to satisfy their sweet cravings. Blackberries round out our list of diabetes-friendly berries with their impressive nutrient profile, including fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Blackberries are also rich in anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation in the body. The fiber content in blackberries can help regulate blood sugar levels, promote gut health, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, all of which are essential considerations for individuals with diabetes. Now that we've learned about the health benefits of berries for diabetes, let's explore some creative ways to incorporate these nutritious fruits into your daily diet. One simple and delicious option is to add berries to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a colorful and flavorful breakfast. You can also blend berries into smoothies or protein shakes for a refreshing and nutrient-rich snack. Another convenient way to enjoy berries is by freezing them and using them as a topping for desserts, such as Greek yogurt or chia pudding. You can also mix berries into salads or homemade fruit salsas for a burst of sweetness and antioxidants. For a more indulgent treat, try baking berries into a healthy dessert, such as a berry crumble or muffins, using whole grain flour and natural sweeteners. When shopping for berries, opt for fresh or frozen varieties without added sugars or syrups to maximize their nutritional benefits. Keep in mind that portion control is key when incorporating berries into your diet, as they still contain carbohydrates that can impact blood sugar levels. Be mindful of your overall carbohydrate intake and pair berries with protein and healthy fats to balance out your meals and snacks. In conclusion, berries are an excellent fruit choice for individuals with diabetes due to their nutrient density, low glycemic index, and numerous health benefits. Whether you prefer strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, incorporating these delicious fruits into your diet can help improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on a variety of fresh or frozen berries to enjoy as a sweet and satisfying treat that won't wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels.